Sometimes, a student shows up in your class or office, and it's clear they're struggling, but they're unsure where to turn. That's where a warm handoff can make all the difference. A warm handoff is more than giving a phone number or an email. It's guiding a student in real time, helping them connect to the right support while reducing barriers like uncertainty, stigma, or anxiety. Let's look at an example of a student that is experiencing emotional distress. You notice a student that stays behind after class, and they appear to have been crying. You've approached the student with concern and empathy. After actively listening to the student, you find out they have been struggling, wanting support, and are unsure what to do. Remember, your role is not to provide therapy. Your role is to support, normalize help seeking, and connect students to professionals who can provide care. Even a few minutes of guidance can have a lasting impact. In the case of a crisis, please refer to the Crisis Recognition and Emergency Protocol section of this training. Step 1. You've identified that the student might benefit from mental health support. Together, you open the Counseling Center website, review hours, and explain how appointments work. Knowing what to expect can reduce fear and hesitation for the student, increasing the likelihood that they engage with the service. Step 2. Assist the student in taking the first step. For example, help the student draft an email requesting an appointment. In this example, an email may be more accessible and less intimidating than a phone call. This small act can make reaching out feel much more manageable. Other examples: sitting in the room while they contact an office, filling out a care report with the student, sending email on the student's behalf, with their permission, of course. You've completed the warm handoff and you're wondering, what do I do now? Take a deep breath. You applied what you learned and helped a student in distress. In some cases, filing a care report may be necessary to ensure the student gets connected with services. The link for a care report can be found in the resource section of this training. Now, let's review the key steps for a warm handoff. Identify the student's needs. Explore resources available. Assist with connecting the student. With a warm handoff, you're not just giving a referral. You're showing a student they're not alone and helping them take the first step toward support.